Hello all. In this session we will discuss how to solve problems related to a graph. So previously we have seen what is in order in degree of a node, then what is out degree of a node. We have also seen how to find the simple paths. We have also seen how to find the successor of a node, okay, in the previous sessions. Okay, in this particular session, okay, where what we can do is, okay, we will find out uh, in degree of a node 21, then adjacent node of 19, then path of 31, and successor of node 61. So we have given with this particular graph. Okay, this is our graph which is given to us, right? So we go bit by bit. So first bit is in degree of a node 21. So if you observe this particular node 21, then to find the in degree of a node, what is the logic? We have to find out number of incoming edges to a given node. So our node point of interest is 21. So for a node 21, number of edges incoming to it are the 3 edges, right? So these are the 3 edges which are incoming to a node 21, or it is also called as the incident to a node 21. So in degree of a node 21 is 3. Okay, so similarly if you are having a question of what is out degree of node 21. So if you observe node 21 again, then number of edges going out of a node 21. So going out, so there are 2 edges which are going out of a node 21. So out degree of node 21 is 2. So you can easily identify what is in degree of a node 21, what is out degree of node 21. Okay, the next bit is adjacent node of 19. So if you observe this node 19, okay, then what is adjacent node of 19? It is nothing but neighboring nodes of 19, right? Okay, so if 19 is a node of interest, then 1, 12 and 21, these are the 3 neighboring nodes of 19, right? These are the 3 neighboring nodes of 19. Okay, so from 19 you can go to node 1, it is possible. Similarly from 19 you can go to node 21 also. Okay, so but from 19 you cannot go to node 12. It is a neighboring node of 19, but you cannot go to node 12. You can only go to node 1, or you can only go to node 21. So adjacent node of 19 is 1 and 21, 1 comma 21. In degree of node 21 is 3, and the nodes are 1, 7 and 9. 1, 7 and 9, right? So next is a path of 31. Okay, next is a path of 31. Okay, so in the path of 31, okay, it is nothing but how can you reach to a node 31. Okay, so if you start from any node, if you start from a node 1, okay, you can identify a path. Okay, from 1 you can go to 7, from 7 you can go to 21, and from 21 you can go to 31. So this is the path. Okay, 1, 7, 21, 31, it is a path, okay, to 31. Similarly second path will be 1, 21, 31 directly. Okay, similarly you can observe one more path. From 1 you can go to 12, from 12 to 19, from 19 to 21, and again it is back to 31. So 1, 12, 19, 21, 31, this is also one path. Okay, so path of 31, it is nothing but how you can reach to a 31, that is nothing but path of 31. Okay, and the last bit is successor of node 67. So if you observe this node 67, okay, this node is a singular node, it is not connected to a graph. Okay, it is present in this diagram, but it is not connected with other nodes in the graph. It is not connected with any node. It is not connected with 12, 19, 21, 31, 14, any node. Okay, there are no incoming edges to 67, there are no outgoing edges from 67. So it is well separated from the graph. It is a singular node. So there are no successor for 67. Okay, successor means त्याच्या पुढे येणारा नोड, okay, or next node. Okay, so there is no next node of a 67. Similarly, if you have a question that what is the predecessor of node 61, in that case also, as 67 is not connected with any other node, predecessor of node 67 is also not present. So in this bit they have asked what is the successor of node 67. That is a no successor of 67, since it is isolated node or singular node, it is not connected node in the given graph. Okay, so in this way you can solve this particular bit. So important thing is that you have to observe that graph very carefully. Okay, then you have to observe the nodes given in that graph, and then you can apply the logic. Okay, if you find the in degree of particular node, you have to find out number of edges incoming to that node. If you want to find out the out degree of particular node, then number of edges coming out of that node. Okay, and if you want to find the adjacent node of particular node, then what is the logic? Okay, from a given node, from given node, okay, from which node you can traverse, okay, or up to which nodes you can traverse. So here in this case they have asked what is the adjacent node of 19. So from 19 you can go to 1 because the path is present. Okay, from 19 you can directly go to 21, the path exists. So 1 and 21 are the adjacent node, but from 19, okay, you cannot go to 12. Okay, so because for a 19, okay, 12 to 19 is a incoming edge, there is no outgoing edge. तुम्ही 12 कडून 19 कडे येऊ शकता. यू कॅन गो फ्रॉम 12 to 19, बट यू कॅनॉट गो ट्रॅव्हर्स इन अ रिव्हर्स डिरेक्शन. यू कॅनॉट गो फ्रॉम 19 to 12. So reverse path does not exist as the edges are the directed edges. So for a 19, adjacent nodes are 1 and 21 only. Okay, so you have to apply this logic. Okay, if you first identify what are the neighboring nodes of a 19, and then you can identify whether path exists or not. Okay, if path exists, then and then only it is the adjacent node. So in the second bit, the adjacent node of 19 are node 1 and node 21. Okay, so when you want to find a path of a particular node, in that case what you can do is, okay, from a first node or a starting node, okay, you have to traverse a path. Okay, you write down all paths, okay, to a given node. So if you want to find a path of 31, in that case from a node 1 you can reach to 31 in a 3 ways. Okay, in the first way 1, 7, 21, 31, in a second way 1, 21, 31, in a third way 1, 12, 19, 21, 31. So all are the paths, okay, to a node 31. So the questions are very easy, you have to just observe the figure very carefully. Okay, thank you for watching this session.